Greetings, it is July 8th, 2022. Hi. Boids, how we doing? Everybody okay? Everybody okay? Kissing over there. Preening over there. Alright. It's BANCO BOIDY'O. 9,000 BOIDY'O'S banknote is coming along. It's, I'd say, about halfway done now. Or maybe 40% done. Just in this section here, we have Bach. We have 9,000 BOIDY'O'S here. Pay. I've got yet to do that. I got writing up here. This is done over here. It's going to say bona fide BOIDY'O'S. And good part of the budgie is done there. I have to figure out what I'm going to do with the kind of the tail end and the back end, the tush end of the budgie. All right, to be continued. All right. I hear some chortling over there. Very good, very good.